Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you're all doing well. And here in front of me today, this is a device I have not made a video on in quite some time, which is the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and it is indeed in the box. There we go. It's been in the box for many months because after using this earlier in 2024 for maybe, I don't know, how long did I use this for? Maybe 3 months. I just determined that the cover screen and this style of phone is not the best fit for me. I know a lot of people really like the foldable devices, but in particular, just the Flip is not a good fit for me and how I use a device. I know some people really like this cover display, but you know, in my reviews and my personal opinion, it's just not super handy, you know, and trying to type on it with a tiny keyboard with these big ginormous thumbs. You know, maybe if you have smaller hands, this is pretty useful, but for me, I much prefer the fold, you know, like the book style devices like the OnePlus Open, Galaxy Z Fold. Now, I did do a review on the OnePlus Open, but I ended up returning that due to a very lackluster display brightness. And if you haven't seen that review, go on my channel and check it out. But we're not here today to talk about the build quality or performance or anything like that on the Galaxy Flip. This is an issue that I have noticed. So this has been in the box for quite some time, and here to the side I have my Anchor power bank, and I just want to hook this up and show you guys what's going on. And I haven't seen anything online about this. I mean, now granted, I haven't looked too much into it. Okay, there's our power bank. But the last time I had this phone on was maybe about a month ago. So I'm just going to click the button there to show you guys that it is indeed turned off. Okay, and I fully charged it and then turned it off and put it in the box. And it has been in my room here, room temperature, you know, not extreme cold or extreme hot. But let's plug this up and see what happens and look at our battery level. It might take just a second here for it to show. There we go, 61%. Okay, and the concern here is just what's going on. This has been factory reset after I determined it's not the device for me. I factory reset it and it's been in the box. And I noticed this issue months ago, but I just wanted to take time to determine if it's worth making a video on. And so here we are today, taking a look at this, and the battery is at 62%. So what is going on? Why is this battery draining when the phone has been factory reset, it's turned off, it's in the box, it's at room temperature? And for those of you wondering, I have also tried this because when you store devices long term, you're supposed to like charge it to 50%, right? I think it's like 50 to 60%. I've tried it that way as well, and this same issue still persists, you know, just the battery draining, and I just don't know what's going on here. Now, this isn't concerning by any means if your device is, you know, your daily device, so you're not turning it off for weeks or months on end. But I just don't really know what's happening here, and I just wanted to kind of open this discussion to you guys. And so now that you saw where the battery was at, let's turn the device on, and I will show you guys that it is indeed factory reset. Okay, so here we go. As you can see, it's like a brand new device. It's, you know, I haven't been using this for many months. And so, you know, just wanted to open this discussion to you guys. You know, if there's anyone out there who can test this, I know not everyone has multiple phones in circulation. But if you do, if you have a Galaxy device that you're not primarily using, could you potentially turn that device off for about a week, you know, charge it up to 50% or charge it up to 100%, just turn it off, put it in the box, or just store it somewhere in a drawer, room temperature, and after a week, you know, just like I did, well, I guess you could just turn the device back on, or you could just plug up a charging cable like we did here, and see what the battery level is. But yeah, definitely been a hot minute since I have made a video on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. I'm not sure if this is one of the devices that qualifies for One UI 7.0. I will probably look into that and maybe even set this up again and take a look at One UI 7.0 if you guys are interested in seeing that. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Do me a favor, hit like on your way out. It really does help a lot. Also, keep an eye on the community tab on my YouTube channel. That's where I do different polls and ask you guys your opinion on different topics, so keep an eye on that. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas and a fantastic holiday season. Thank you for all of the support you have shown to my channel this year. I look forward to more content and seeing you guys in the comments section. So take care, and I will see you guys around.